Hi traders, this is Forex Nelson and I'm back today with another 6 trades. Today's date is June the 25th and I am using my new power trigger system. Now today I traded pound weakness. As you can clearly see, they're all pound pairs. I sold them all based on weakness. And as you can see, the pound is still at the bottom. Well, it's fluctuating at the moment with the USD, and I did do the pound dollar even though they were both at the bottom, but the pound, when I took the trades, it was weaker than the USD. All 6 trades qualified for a great way to trade. This is exactly what I look for every day. Comes with a very high success rate. For me, it's at least 95%. They all turn into winners for me when I trade this simple and easy method of trading the markets. And by the way, you can trade absolutely anything that your MT4 broker and the platform offers you. So, keeping that in mind, I would like to inform you that all trading systems will work less than 50% of the time, and that includes all my trigger systems. It took me 8 years and over 700 trading systems to learn that. To get that up to 80 to 90% success rate, you'll have to learn how to trade the flow of the market, which is what I teach. You will also have to learn trade management and money management. To be successful in trading, all you need is a lot of chart time, a lot of demo trading, and a lot of education. I provide the education. You must buy the education and then do the homework, or you will fail at trading. I highly suggest putting in more than one trade, as no one knows which pair will move the greatest number of pips. That is why I place 3 or more trades at a time. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. This will encourage me to do more of these videos. If you leave your name and email address, I will put you on my email list for free weekly trading tips. So now we can get into the trades. The first pair I did, pound dollar. Let's drag and drop it up, see where I got in at. Here was my initial stop. Not a big deal. I knew it was going to go down. Should have caught it right here, but when I saw it bouncing around and not going any further down, I decided to close out the trade. Rather close it out with a small winner than turn it into a loser. And if I wasn't paying attention, this would be a loser right now of about 14 pips. But I did close it out with 3 pips, and 3 pips on the pound dollar paid $300. And as you can clearly see, as I mentioned earlier, all these trades qualified for a great way to trade, that is using all the indicators on the top and the bottom. My goal every day when I'm trading is I'm trying to hit 100 or more pips, and once I get to that point, I just close out all the trades at the same time. Sometimes I manually close it out, and other times I use my close all script. I'm talking about this close all script right here. All you got to do is pull it up. You got to make sure the smiley face is on over here. This one here that says auto trading. And once you click right here, it'll close all the trades you have running in one click of a mouse. So, and by the way, any traders who's looking at this video, if you want this close all script for free, all you got to do is send me an email requesting the close all script, and I'll send it to you. And at the same time, I'll put you on my email list. So remember, it is totally free. All you have to do is ask for it. Okay, moving on to the next pound trade. Happens to be the pound Swiss. Nice, clear. It's very, very clear going down. There's my stop. 16 pips. And of course, I ended up closing out the trade at this point, being happy. Looks like with 10 pips. And 10 pips on the pound Swiss paid $1,091. And by the way, the power trigger system would have given you a pop-up alert. As such, you'll get a pop-up box like this telling you either up or down. Obviously up you'll be buying and down you'll be selling. Would have got the alert right about this point right here. So we're selling all the way through here, and I teach exactly how to get into the trade once you know the trend direction. And remember, it's best that if you drill down the lights, which I teach in the videos, from the higher time frames, analyze the charts, and once you're going in the direction of the trend, you're just going to wait for the signal to either buy or sell. Go look at the charts and take the trade if everything is lining up. And by the way, I'm going to announce at this point, tomorrow morning, you can either check on my YouTube channel or check your email. I'll be sending you a new trigger system. It's going to be called FX Trigger. It's a fantastic new trading system. And I will be throwing it in as a super big bonus, a trading app. It's called the Trading Simulator, and you're going to use it in the MT4 platform, right in this tester right here, right inside here. It's called the Trading Simulator. There's the name of it right here, Trading Simulator. It's an expert advisor. It will allow you, when you're using the built-in tester here in the MT4 platform, to be able to put in buy and sell trades, as many as you please, and over the course of like a couple of hours, Saturday or Sunday, you can easily put in 50 to 100 trades, and you can put in orders exactly the same as you're doing on your account, except you can go through many trades, the equivalent of 6 months or a year's worth of trading within a couple of hours. It's a fantastic app or tool that I'll be giving totally free to everyone who buys the FX Trigger. And I can even show you a preview of it. Here it is right here, FX Trigger. Here it is. It comes complete with 3 boxes here. It tells you the higher time frame trend direction. This is going to be a fantastic trading system, along with all of my other indicators in here, including the Williams. And what I love about it is you get 2 lines in here included, and as you scroll back, you'll get a pop-up box. It'll be a pop-up box, audio alert with an arrow telling you to take the trade. I teach exactly how you should take the trade. I always recommend on some kind of a pullback. So in this situation, from this point all the way to here, we're selling, and of course all the way from back here we're buying. It is a wonderful trading system, complete with 42 training videos. So watch your inbox tomorrow for an email if you're on my email list, and if you're not on my email list, just go to my YouTube channel and you will see a video, and I will be running the tester showing you how fantastic the app works, and I'll be giving that app totally free to traders who buy my FX trigger system. So moving forward to the next pair I traded, Pound New Zealand. Let's take a look at this. Perfect example of a great way to trade. I didn't actually see it until over here, but still took the trade. There's my stop right there. Stop was only 18 pips, and I closed it out just being happy with 16 pips. And 16 pips on the Pound New Zealand paid $1,134. Moving right along, the next pound pair, Pound CAD. Another perfect example of a great way to trade. There's my stop. It was a little bit higher, but as it was going down, I tightened it up. I got in at this cursor, tightened it up so I could only lose 9 pips if something happened, but I knew nothing was going to happen. And I closed out my trade after I noticed it's not going. I was hoping to hit the ADR and give me some more pips like further down. But I closed out the trade on this trade with exactly the same number of pips, 16 pips, and 16 pips on the Pound CAD trade paid $1,382. Plus, this trade is another good example of a great way to trade. Moving on to the Pound Yen, let's check this trade out. Another perfect example. When I see this, I know I'm going to be making pips. Doesn't mean I'm going to make 50 or 100 pips, but once you do more than 2 or 3 trades, you can quickly see how you can easily grab 100 pips. Took the trade right here at this cursor. Never even went 1 pip against me, exactly the way I love to trade. And I closed it out after I saw this hammer, this wick. I figured it was time to close the trade. Looks like I got 29 pips. And 29 pips on the Pound Yen paid $2,623. Moving right along to the last trade, Pound Aussie. Let's check this out. Another perfect example of a great way to trade. I love trading this way. It's pretty much guaranteed pips in the bank. Went against me 5 pips, not a big deal. Closed it out here, just being happy with 42 pips. And 42 pips on the Pound Aussie paid $3,195. So another great day of trading. Today's pip total came to 116 pips, well over my daily goal, and those 116 pips paid $9,726. So if your system is not producing on a daily basis, I suggest you get your hands on my power trigger, or of course you can grab any trigger system you want, as they all produce fantastic results. So now to get more information on this power trigger right here, just look right below this video and you will see this write-up. Do charge $250 for it. I teach how to trade the flow of the market. This is what you have to learn, and if you don't learn this, you will never succeed at trading. My system comes with 4 gigabytes of training. You'll get an exact copy of my system on your MT4 platform. It also comes with 5 MT4 templates, 10 custom indicators, and of course my favorite meter. Now it comes with a lot of PDF books, a lot of Word documents, and I threw in 9 bonus videos. This is what you're going to need. A lot of education to succeed at trading. Now there's a lot of ways to trade, and that's why there's 42 training videos. Now my main way of trading, the one I love the most, a great way to trade. All trades today were perfect examples of a great way to trade. Now you can put this video on pause and read all the information here on different ways to trade the markets. If you have any questions at all, quite simple. Pick up the phone and call me. Here's my number. Now, if you live too far, quite simple. Just shoot me an email. Remember, there's an underscore here. Now, I do prefer Skype. All you got to do is click on this link, and through Skype screen sharing, after, of course, we have a connection, and through Skype screen sharing, I'll give you a free session with no obligation to you, answering your questions and giving you some tips and tricks. And of course, if you click on this link right here, you'll see 32 screenshots of all the different trigger systems I've been building over the years. So that just about wraps up this video, and I'll repeat it again. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trading day, Sunday night or Monday, want to wish you good luck in your trading, and of course remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay,